class. Today again I want to say that in class section C, Akash Rajput, Abdul Sami, Abhishek Sati, Akshay Lakheda, Arjun Pal, Jyoti Rawathan, Mayur Rawat, Mohammad Avesh, Nitin Negi, Tarun Sharma, they are not submitting their work regular. Today I will consult to your class teacher regarding why you are not submitting homework regular. In section D, there are many: Varun Goswami, Tushar, Shreya, Shivangi, Abhilash Singh Rawat. You all are not submitting your homework regular, and if you will not submit your homework regular, it will affect your unit test and exams also. Today is lesson number 5, Yoga, chapter number 5. We are going to study about yoga, learning objectives. Learning objectives are meaning and importance of yoga, element of yoga, introduction, asanas, meditation and yogic kriyas. What do you think yoga is, or how you look over yoga? If I would ask you a question, what do you know about yoga? You will give us a simple definition that yoga is meditation, yoga relax our mind, and certain many more things. But yoga is beyond that also. Today we are going to study about the meaning and importance of yoga. The history of yoga is indeed very old, as you know. Nothing can be said firmly about the origin of yoga except that it is originated in India. At the time, people used to do yoga usually when they depend upon secondary source to know about the history of yoga. That is related some words related to yoga. Meaning and importance. What is the meaning? Meaning of yoga. Yoga is derived from Sanskrit word yug, a word that is derived from Sanskrit word yug in verb form, which means unite or join. You know the verb, it is in a verb form. That means to join or unite. Yog is a noun from the mean union, and yog means union, to join something. It concerned with the union of an individual soul, soul of ourselves, soul of yourself, which is the absolute or divine soul. It is a science of development and individual consciousness. What we think, what we do. Vivek in English, in Hindi we say Vivek. Yoga is unification of Atma with Paramatma. It also means unification of physical, mental, intellectual and spiritual aspects of human being. It is directly related to our spiritual aspects of our life. And yoga itself is a prayer. There are certain mudras or asanas that is directly related to sun, and what we are worshipping sun and many other things. To better understand the meaning of yoga, we have to understand the various definitions or the various organizations what they are making a statement related to the meaning of yoga. There are many organizations, and one of them we are familiar with, that is Patanjali. Checking the impulse of mind is yoga. Yoga is attaining the pose. Maharishi Vedvyas is saying yoga is attaining the pose. And Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, skill in condition or efficiency alone is yoga. Skill in action or efficiency alone is yoga. That is some of the meaning and what these people are saying about yoga. Importance of yoga. This is the meaning of yoga, that is derived from two words, and the meaning is absolute or divine soul. Importance of yoga. It is universal truth that modern age is the age of stress, tension, anxiety. Most of the people are not leading a happy and productive life. They indulge in materialism. Their life is full of problems. Whether rich or poor is not happy in a present day life. That's why yoga is very, very important. We are falling prey to various disease. At juncture, yoga can significant for us. It is the way for us to get rid from various disease and problems. We can get rid of stress related problems by practicing yoga. And the following points clearly shows the importance of yoga. Physical purity. One of the importance of yoga is physical purity. How we can make our physical body pure without disease. Internal organs of our body be cleaned by various yogic exercise. You know, internal organs, there are various organs in our body and systems of our body. Basically, there are three substances in our body: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Upper part, middle part, and lower part of our body. We are talking about this. If there is a proper balance of substance in our body, we may remain healthy. Our neti, these are the exercise. Basti, Noli are some of the basic exercise of that keeps our internal organs pure and clean state. The former cleanness and purity of internal organ, we should perform this yogic exercise regular. Later on, there will be a physical class or a practical class with the help of Vikas sir. Will give you or I will give you a practical class regarding yoga and physical health and health education, related to physical and health education. Cure and prevention from disease. These are various diseases which usually hamper the smooth function of our body. Cure and prevention from disease. Vajra asana helps to control diabetes, a large number of diseases such as bronchitis, arthritis, and gastritis can be prevented as well as cured by various yogic exercise. The body. Everyone in this world wants to have healthy body. Various yogic asanas are best suited to get rid of health problem and stay fit. That's why we need, or with the help of asanas, are the best suited to get rid of many health problems. Provide relaxation, helps maintain the correct posture. How, what are the yoga or yogic asanas that helps in correct formation of our posture? Is one of them is Vajrasana. Vajrasana. You can be performed. Yoga can be performed easily and daily. Spiritual development. Increase flexibility is important. Increase flexibility. Flexibility is a significant for every person because it prevents us from various sports injuries. That's why flexibility is very, very important. Hal asana is one of the best yoga exercise that increase our flexibility, improve health, reduce obesity. Obesity is a worldwide problem. Obese people fall prey to various disease. Yogic exercise can help in reduce obesity. For example, pranayama, pranayama, and special meditative asana reduce obesity. Help in reducing our cholesterol also. This is the meaning of or the importance of yoga. Element of yoga. There are 7 or 8 element of yoga. That is, first is yama, niyama, second asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dhrana, dhyana, and samadhi. These are the elements of yoga. What is yama? Yama is the first element of yoga. Through the practice of yama, one can abstain from doing things one's mind involved in inevitable struggle for survival. One may remain away from violence. You can control our mind from a destructive things. Yama consists of 5 moral codes of conduct. First is not non-violence, ahimsa, that is ahimsa or non-violence. Satya or truthfulness, always be truthful. Asthya means asatya means non-stealing. The object, money or through for our own benefit is stealing. We should avoid stealing. Is the third. Brahmacharya, not to take a diet that stimulates sexual desire, is in a brahmacharya point. Apigraha means to collect money and property for self-interest, and on the contrary, we should not desire for a physical pleasure or a pleasure. These are the 5 things that yama elements of First is Yama, and within that sub-headings are non-violence, truthfulness, and brahmacharya are the five main important points of elements of yoga.